Hello everyone, this is Paksh the Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to talk to you about simple designs. I also want to show you a review of the two dresses. What I want to tell you today is that complicated details, draping, colors, asymmetry, are very beautiful, but they are not always necessary. Dresses of simple designs are very convenient. I'm going to show you a review of the dress which is on the table now. I'll put it on later. I also want to tell you about the dress I'm wearing now. What is interesting in it is the fact that I made the darts which I showed you. I call them perfect darts for big sizes. Do you remember my linen dotted dress? I showed you how to make a pattern for it. There were very interesting raglan sleeves in the dress. This dress was made on the basis of the same pattern. The thing is that this dress was cut on a bias. This dress is much longer than the linen one was. The dress is cut on a bias. It's very comfortable. I've already showed you how to make dresses cut on a bias. Watch the videos if you haven't done it yet. In the videos, I showed you the technique for cutting on a bias very thoroughly. Use the techniques which I show you. This dress is very simple. Round neckline, no collar, no flounces, no draping, nothing. The dress is very comfortable. It's a perfect dress for the summer. It's light. It's not hard to find matching accessories for it. You can make yourself different every day wearing one and the same dress. Have a close look at the necklace. It's blue. And there are also yellow crystals in between them. I love it. The dress itself is beige with dark dots. I also want you to have a close look at my shoes. This is handwork. I didn't have anything to wear with them, but I think that they're perfect for these outfits. The thing is that accessories should not only match the dress, they should also match each other. And what's the most important, they should match your personality. If the dress was of more complicated design, there were draping, collar, or yoke in it, for example, I wouldn't have put the necklace on. I'm sure that every one of you have necklaces, but you don't know what to wear them with. This is what such simple dresses are for. Accurate basic pattern, accurate sleeves, accurate darts. These are the details which make the simple dress look that good. I have to wear this dress with an underdress. The fabric is very thin, and my perfect body is not perfect enough for me to wear this dress without an underdress on. Next, I want to show you the second dress, the one which is on the table now. Have a look at the dress. For me, it was love from the first sight. It's not my dress. It was made for a customer. We are the same size, so it also looks good on me. I'll try it on. The dress is simple, but at the same time very beautiful. The neckline is of a beautiful shape. It's not round. Have a look at the color of the threads used for top stitching. Don't try to find threads of the same color. Have a look here. The threads used for top stitching are much darker than the fabric is. The seams look very beautiful. You can see the top stitching on the neckline, on the pockets, on the bottom. The neckline is edged with facing, and the armholes are edged with a thin bias binding. There are patch pockets on the front. The shoulder darts were moved to the back neckline. The dress is very simple. All the seams were edged with an overlocker. This is a perfect summer dress. The armholes are edged with the bias bindings. The seams are pressed close. Have a look at the way the slits look like from the wrong side. Have a look at the neckline once again. This is how the facing looks like. There's not much to show. The dress was made on the basis of a basic pattern. We drew the neckline, the slits, and made the pattern longer. I will try the dress on next. I wanted to show you this dress because it's very simple. Simple, but beautiful. You can make the neckline of any shape you want. Square, round, V-neck, boat neck. The armholes in such dresses should always be edged with binding, and the necklines with facing. Have a look at the bust. It fits me perfectly. These are regular darts from the basic pattern. When I say that we should wear close-fitting garments, I don't mean that we should wear baggy clothes. Have a look at this dress. It fits me perfectly on the bust. It makes it look like I have a tight waist, and it's wide down from this point. There are tiny waist tucks here. We made them smaller than they were in the basic pattern. The dress is getting wider down from this point. Notice that it's pretty wide. Due to the fact that the dress is close-fitting on the bust and wide on the bottom, it makes me look much slimmer. There are slits in the side seams. I wish it was my dress. I even have matching accessories for it. I put them on. The shoulder darts were moved to the back neckline. There is a zip on the back. The patch pockets also look pretty good. They are also comfortable. I recommend everyone making such amazing dresses. The best thing about this design is that you can make such dress fast and easy. It's also easy to find matching accessories for garments of simple designs. Garments of complicated designs are very beautiful, but sometimes they draw more attention than you do. What is also very important is that you should remember about color. I've already talked to you about choosing colors for garments. Choose the colors which suit you and your personality. It's very important. I love dresses of simple designs. It's not hard to be different and beautiful, having such amazing dresses. Today I wanted to talk to you about dresses of simple designs. I really hope that you find my tutorials useful. I like it when I have an opportunity to not only tell you something, but also prove it with an example. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukštė Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press a like and the bell buttons. Thank you. Goodbye.